Fairy tale 3 kittens. Three kittens, black, grey, and white, saw a mouse and ran after it. The mouse jumped into the jar of flour. Kittens after her. The mouse ran away. And three white kittens crawled out of the jar. Three white kittens saw a frog in the yard and ran after it. The frog jumped into the old dirty pipe. Kittens after her. The frog ran away. And three black kittens out of the pipe. Three black kittens saw a fish in the pond and rushed after her. The fish swam away. And three wet kittens crawled out of the pond. Three wet kittens went home. On the way they dried up and became as they were: black, grey, and white. This is the end of the fairy tale, and whoever listened is a fine fellow.